awesome friend. My name is Carla Jo and I'm super excited you stopped by my channel. I'm going to share about how I lost a bunch of weight, 100 pounds, and how I did it after having weight loss surgery. It's super early. It is a rainy, kind of gloomy day today. I'm in my pajamas. My husband and I are not feeling very well today. He actually had to go to the urgent care yesterday. I'm trying to get my fluids in. I'm drinking out of my Merry Christmas Grinch tumbler, and I'm still in my pajamas, but I wanted to pop on here and share some what I did this past week with you. So I hope you will join me on this journey where I talk about fitness and fashion and just about living our best lives. It's not always easy, but we'll laugh and sweat and share some of the ups and downs. Some of the things you will see here on this channel is things that I eat to stay healthy and happy. I eat a lot of protein. I eat lower carbs most of the time, but I do eat all the fruits and all the vegetables and the occasional treat. There's no forbidden food for me. I just eat in moderation and try to eat intentionally. Some of my thrift store magic and how to look stylish after losing weight without spending a gazillion bucks. Just think of it as I'm your BFF that always got your back with fashion. And sometimes, my friend, we will be going deep. We'll be talking about mindset and thinking positive and making good choices can totally change your world. Trust me, it's like having a secret power. So my friend, I'm here for you, cheering you on every step of the way. If you've ever felt stuck or needed a friend to share this journey with, you found one, me! So let's make this journey fun and exciting and totally worth it. So I haven't posted for a while, so I'm gonna show tidbits. I'm starting back from Sunday, which was the 17th. Today is Friday, the 22nd, but I have literally been on the go from then. So the 17th, we had, my friend had a birthday party for me and a dinner at her house. I'll show you some fun clips from that where we played ring toss and we had flaming coffee and all kinds of fun things. So I'll show you a little bit of clips of that. And then straight from there that night, we went to LA to my daughter's apartment, and I'll show you some of the stuff we ate while we were out and how we kind of meal prepped and we saved money that way. And the first way that I saved money going out was I got my daughter to buy all my food. We just have 2 more days until Christmas. When Christmas Eve, we're going to be with the kids, and Christmas Day, the kids are coming, and we're going to have a lot of things going on. And then we actually have 2 birthdays right after, 2 family birthdays right after Christmas. So it's going to just keep going and going. And I'll do my best to try and show you what I eat and what I wear and how what I do. I try to get lots of water in and eat lots of protein and just keep going. During birthdays and all these holidays, because sometimes those can be the roughest times during weight loss. So I'll share with you what I did, and hopefully some of the things will help you. Also today, this video will be a little bit different than my daily routine, what I'm doing that day, my vitamins and water and how much I eat. This video is going to be over 6 days, starting Sunday with my birthday, and then today is already Friday. And here was past Sunday when my dear friend Sabina threw me the most epic birthday dinner ever. She prepared a Christmas dinner feast with all the classics: roasted turkey, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and more. So I had lots of protein, and I ate the turkey first, and then I ate the asparagus, and I had room for a few bites of my favorite mashed potatoes. The way she made them were the twice baked potato way, and they were so good. Then Sabina surprised me with this delicious cherry black forest cake with layers of moist chocolate, sweet cherries, and whipped cream. It was like a slice of heaven. And guess what? The fun didn't stop at the dinner table. Sabina had this super cool ring toss game set up, and let me tell you, it was hilarious. We were all competing, laughing, and cheering each other on. Who knew tossing rings could be so much fun? I think Brittany ended up winning first place, and Joni ended up winning second place.
Oh! Okay. Carla, there you go. That's it.
Oh, that was actually good. Wow.
See, she knows how to do it now.
Ooh, that was close.
That's good.
I can't do
sorry.
toss.
Oh my, bouncing.
Oh!
I'm gonna get like -5.
Oh, no, right? You had
Come
the
on, Kaylee.
chocolate and everything and the whipped cream, right? You're going now. You're good.
Oh.
A couple thousand.
You next.
Come on, Haley.
Whoa!
Hey!
No!
Haley.
Are you two the same age?
Yeah.
Really? Just a few months apart?
Oh!
Oh!
We almost got the 25.
Oh!
You got a
She got it!
Woohoo, Jody!
10, she got 10.
Oh!
30, right?
30.
She's 30 points, Kaylee.
I didn't even tie it.
Wait, watch out, Tracy's coming.
No.
Yeah.
Who?
Tracy.
No,
girl, I only have 10.
Yeah, but that's their second
got 30.
chance. Yo, you got 10 on your first
Kaylee.
try. They got 0 on the first one.
Dang!
Oh! 10.
So she's at 30. Tied now.
Okay, she's the winner of the Olympic game called ring toss.
But wait, it gets even better. Sabina had a grand finale planned. Flaming coffee. Yep, you heard it right. Picture this, a table set aglow with flaming coffee mugs. It was like a mini fireworks show.
Thank you.
The warmth, the crackling sound, it was the perfect way to wrap up the night. I was so happy to have my family who traveled from far to be there, and my wonderful besties and everybody who made my birthday so special and went above and beyond to make this an extra special moment for me. It was a birthday dinner I'll never forget, and I wanted to share all the joy with all of you. What's your favorite birthday memory? I think this has to be one, and then also last year when my daughters gave me a surprise birthday party. That was pretty fun too. So the party was really fun, and now we're getting ready to go to the LA apartment, and tomorrow we're going to be decorating, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We got there super late, like, oops, the neighbors are probably wondering who's making all that noise late, but we're a lively bunch. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now would be a good time to like and leave me a comment and hit that subscribe button. The next morning we were starving and ain't nobody got time to whip up a gourmet breakfast, so we dialed up Russell's Restaurant for breakfast to the rescue. And their sausages were so good, and I ordered the mushroom and spinach omelet, and folks, it was delicious. Now here's the kicker. The portions were so massive that I ate only half for breakfast and saved the rest for lunch. It was like an unintentional meal prep, the kind where deliciousness meets practicality. We were running around all day, so all this protein-packed food was delicious, and it fueled us for the whole day until dinner. Moral of the story, sometimes life is a whirlwind, and you gotta roll with it. But hey, as long as there's good food involved, we're winning, right? Okay, now, so fast forward to dinner because, we wouldn't survive on breakfast alone. We decided to hit the town and Ubered our way to Bossa Nova cuisine because, hey, why not treat ourselves? Now, Bossa Nova, oh, what a vibe. I went all out and I ordered steak and salad and with a side of veggies. And just when I thought life couldn't get any better, I spotted the coconut cake on the menu. The steak was perfectly grilled. The veggies were so good, they were dancing with flavor, and the coconut cake, let's just say it disappeared faster than my willpower at a dessert buffet. But here's the beauty. The portions were so generous that we practically had a buffet lined up for the next day. I mean, who needs meal prep when you got good leftovers? Morning after, I woke up to the smell of yesterday's victory. Steak and the rest of that glorious omelet. Breakfast game strong, right? And just when we thought life couldn't get any more delicious, we unearthed some veggies and mac and cheese from Bossa Nova that my daughter had ordered, but we never got to try. So the moral of the story when it comes to weight loss and meal prep, the leftovers are the unsung heroes of our culinary adventures.
We have mostly vegetables and a little bit of mac and cheese, and there's a lot of variety of the vegetables. So we have things like Brussels sprouts and broccoli, asparagus, squash, zucchini, corn, red bell pepper. So it's got a really good mix. So we made it back to the high desert super late, and I'll tell you, if you're from California, you know that the late night return is a lot better for traffic. So the next day I had a lunch date with my fabulous friends, and I ordered the steamed cod with a double dose of broccoli. Later I met up with my friends Lisa and Philip, my dear friends since junior high, along with their 93-year-old dad. Talk about living legends. Now, Thursday was supposed to be party time. I had a party with my card group, but the universe had other plans. Both my husband and I were not feeling top-notch, so we decided to take it easy. Chicken noodle soup and crackers were the heroes of the day. And here we are on Friday. Still a ton to do, but I wanted to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this roller coaster of a week. Your support really does mean the world to me. No matter how crazy your days may be, remember that taking care of yourself is a beautiful act of self-love. So here's a reminder to savor the good stuff. Make time for the people who light up your world, and hey, treat yourself once in a while. You're worth it. Thank you for spending this crazy, wonderful week with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more feel-good vibes, and share your own healthy moments in the comments. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay healthy, and keep shining bright. If you're feeling inspired to make some healthy choices, give yourself a high five. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're in it together. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.